My name is Bianca Baldo and I work for the NDG Senior Citizens Council. We look at, for instance, what are the protections in the Charter, what are the protections in terms of the labor standards in Quebec, early forced retirement, those kinds of things. I just always found that, like, if people are aware of their rights, even if it's just on a very basic level, they will have tendencies to present their information differently. If you inform people about what their rights are when they're in the process of being discriminated, they have more ability to actually renounce that kind of discrimination. We try to give the participants as much information, but also we want to be there for the follow-up. Real tangible oppression tools can't just be, example, legal workshop. That's not enough. You have to be able to support those people through the process that they're then going to undertake. In terms of oppression, one of the things that we were looking at was really how to examine oppression from a multi-dimensional angle, but specifically in terms of types of discriminations. Maybe she's being discriminated because she's a woman, and what can she do in that case? Maybe she's being discriminated based on age, so what can she do in that case? Maybe she's being discriminated in terms of language. Figure out how someone is experiencing something personally. Because the woman who recently arrived from Senegal, who's let's say a mature worker, is going to experience different kinds of discriminations than, you know, a third generation Montreal woman in her 30s. Because, I mean, it's interesting to have it as a tool. The legal capacity building is very interesting in itself. But unless it's like brought into a bigger, I would say, like a public awareness campaign about the issue and about fundamentally how we have these stereotypes of mature workers that we bring into the employment process, then we're not going to get very far. We're open to working with employers, community groups, groups of, it doesn't have to be necessarily mature workers. It's basically on a case per case, so if anyone is interested, they can just phone the NDG Senior Citizens Council. It's empowering mature workers, but it's also educating the rest of the society that this segment of the population has so much to bring.